A manufacturing company is a business that produces goods by transforming raw materials into finished products with the use of machines, tools, and labor. Manufacturing companies can produce a wide range of products including consumer goods, industrial equipments, construction materials, and many more. Manufacturing companies typically have a complex production process that involves several steps including design, sourcing of raw materials, production, quality control, and distribution. The manufacturing process can involve different types of production methods such as mass production, batch production, and job production depending on the type of product being manufactured. Departments in a manufacturing company can be divided on the basis of job profiles available. Some of the departments with non-commerce job profiles are production, QA and QC, R&D, IT, maintenance, and legal. Departments where mainly commerce graduates can be employed are supply chain, finance and accounts, sales and marketing, human resource, and administration. We will have a detailed look about supply chain and finance and accounts in another video. Let's discuss about sales and marketing, human resource, and administration department. Here, candidates need to possess effective communication skills as these are people-oriented profiles. Let's have a brief look at some of them. Sales. This includes identifying target markets, setting sales targets, and determining sales approaches for different customer segments. Sales professionals explain features and benefits of company's product and negotiate with customers on pricing. Digital marketing. It encompasses various online marketing tactics and channels to promote products or services, engage with target audience, and drive business growth, which includes content creation like blogs, posts, articles, videos, infographics, social media marketing, paid advertising, email marketing, and influencers marketing. Product marketing. Product marketing involves understanding customer needs, competitor offerings, and industry trends, and then define product requirements, features, and roadmaps. Brand marketing. Brand marketing involves identifying opportunities to strengthen the brand, build brand awareness, and manage the creative development of all brand-related assets, including logos, visual identity, website, and marketing collateral. Market research. It involves collecting and analyzing data from various sources including surveys, focus groups, sales reports, and industry database, and then build marketing strategies and support product development. Customer support. This involves monitoring customer engagement and satisfaction with the company's products and services and provide customers with technical and functional support, resolving issues and ensuring a seamless experience which results in customer retention. Talent acquisition. This includes implementation of strategic talent acquisition plans to attract, identify, and hire top quality candidates, and also utilize various sourcing channels including job portals, social media, employee referrals, and recruiting events to build a robust pipeline of qualified candidates. Recruitment. It involves reviewing resumes and applications, coordinating interviews, assessments and other evaluations, candidate communication, and managing the onboarding process for new joinees. Employee relations. They work on creating and updating policies and procedures, those related to performance management, disciplinary action, conflict resolution, and resolving employee complaints and grievances. Compensation and benefits. They develop and administer the company's compensation and benefits programs, including base salary, bonus, equity, and employee benefits, and manage the annual performance review and salary adjustment process, providing guidance and support to managers. Training and development. This department is responsible for enhancing employee skills, knowledge, and performance to support the company's goals and objectives by designing, implementing, and delivering training programs that align with the organization's strategic priorities. Travel and transportation. They are responsible for managing the travel needs of an organization, including transportation, accommodation, and other related services like planning and coordinating travel arrangements for employees, including flights, hotels, car rentals, and other transportation services. Administration department. They oversee the day-to-day operations of the office and manage facilities including maintenance and repairs. These are just a few examples of job roles that BCom graduates can pursue in a manufacturing company. The specific opportunities may vary depending on the company's size, industry, and specific requirements. Jobs in manufacturing industry are varied and exciting. Understanding what a manufacturing job is can be useful in determining the right career path for you. The key for BCom graduates is to gain relevant skills and experience either through internships, entry-level roles, or further education to access the higher paying job opportunities in the manufacturing industry.